I am about to do something very stupid.
Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, or whatever. So I've come across an interesting item very recently. When I was over at my brother's house doing the Apple product hole drilling video. And I noticed this thing he was just going to throw out. Apparently it's some sort of demo model thing. That was for ECCO lights. Because half of this has got the amber light stuff on it, and the rest of it you can actually see inside there. You know, it's one of the ECCO lights. But I thought this would make a good teardown, but as it turns out, you can see pretty much everything that's going on in there already. I'm going to tear it down anyway. We're just going to see what happens. Well, let's see here. So if I can do this one-handed, see it. Looks like the wiring is supposed to go through there, and you don't really have a whole lot of access to it other than these 4 screws that look like that. They're not consistent. Okay, well, I got all those screws off, so I'm going to take off the cover. Well, at least that part. So you can get in there a little bit better, but nothing we haven't really seen already. And I guess this part can just lift off as well. Yeah, it does say demo only right in there. And hey, look, from good old Boise, Idaho right there. Alright, I'm going to remove these 4 screws here to see what's on the bottom of that. This little thing right here, there's a little clip right here that's retaining a little TO220 type package or something to the big metal part. Think I can get that off here. Just I'll need another cut. Well, I got it off, and there's not anything too spectacular on here. I mean, there's just a big capacitor here, and a couple of Logic Series chips. Now, this one, right? See if I can actually get it to focus. This one right here, you know, the CD4081BCN, that's a 2-input and buffered. So, yeah, and I think that, see what is, you know, there's conformal coating all over this thing. And there's some unpopulated stuff in here which tells me a lot. This bit was probably meant to make sound. There's probably a thermistor where that little squiggly line thing is supposed to be right there, and let's see, what is that one? Well, I think this is a binary counter from what the from what it's telling me from the quick Google search about it, which I actually find interesting. I didn't think there would be any kind of logic stuff going on in here at all, much less an AND, or yeah, I think that was an AND gate, and a counter, which means there's got to be some sort of pulsing going on and whatnot, so that's very interesting. And of course, nothing going on here. maybe that explains what this little switch thing is all about here. I'm not sure if you can see that too well, but those are actually some sort of dip switch thing going on. And I guess wiring is supposed to come through here, but I don't know what it's supposed to actually go to. There's, oh, ground and positive right there. Anyway, that was a look at the demo model of this. Y'all have a good day.